Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTCM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement again today, and definitely updates once again need to be made. So the first update is I'm going to just go ahead and use this green line up here to adjust for things. So always good one. Quote unquote adjustments of supports are needing to be moved up quite a bit. But one of the newest areas of support and is what I would call that ideal level. So I realize I've talked about the ideal level before, but for those of you that have never seen one of these videos, in my world, ideal just means a level that if you were to ask me what would make the chart look the best, that would be the level that if the price can stay up above it would certainly make the chart look very powerful. With that being said, if the price does fall below 0.027, that does not imply the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. It's just a matter of if the price could somehow manage to stay above it, that would be a massive sign of power. But from the big picture of it all, it remains all about that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, that line will continue to move itself higher and higher. So as I've said in the past, and going to continue to say, because it truly is the most effective way to just gauge the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just keep on watching that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you guys visualize that, that is what is being represented. Because yeah, pullbacks are going to happen. And just to kind of illustrate this, I mean, when you stop and go through the history of things, got pretty boring, big move, pretty big pullback, got boring, there's another pullback, there's a pretty quick pullback right there, and then, there's another pullback right now. But the key is that, nothing can go straight up. As long as pullbacks and such are happening within an overall context of bullishness, and again, overall bullishness being staying up above that purple line, then yeah, that's just part of the game. So just continue to chip away and build those higher bases, and that's what you want to continue to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.